Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a first look at this Hitachi leaf blower. It is model number RB24EAP. And I actually got this leaf blower as a gift from my girlfriend. It was a surprise. I went out to the vehicle to grab some cases of water from the trunk, and when I opened the trunk there were no cases of water. There was a brand new Hitachi leaf blower in the trunk. So here I'm just taking the leaf blower out of the box, and inside of the box there is actually only three main items, which is the leaf blower and two pieces to the nozzles, which is just the main tube and the end tube, and they're fairly simple to install. If you do it the way that I'm showing you here, it's kind of looks funny, but it works and they go on quite easily. So I'm just showing the leaf blower here. It looks really nice. Really surprised with the overall build quality. It is very comparable to that of the Hitachi string trimmers, and the plastic feels like it's very good quality. I'm just showing the primer there. It is empty. I'm going to be getting the leaf blower fueled up now, and we're going to add some fresh fuel. This is 2-cycle mixed fuel. This is a 2-stroke leaf blower. Priming the leaf blower now. This is the first time that any type of fuel has gone through the carburetor, and the primer bulb is now full of fuel. I just put the choke on and I'm gonna give it a pull. So as you can see, it started very easily. I should have turned the ignition switch on in the first place, but we all make that mistake. So as you can see, it sounds very nice. Of course I am just braking in this engine, so I don't want to rev it too hard. This is the first time that it's actually getting up to operating temperature and running. Something that I've actually noticed is this leaf blower does not have cruise control, which would normally be located there. So far, I think this leaf blower sounds good, it looks good, and I think it is going to be a very good product, especially with that 7-year consumer warranty. I will be registering this product online. So unfortunately I don't have any leaves to blow, but I will push around some grass here. I want to compare this leaf blower in another video to my Echo that I've owned since 2012, the PB250. So this leaf blower, like I said, was a surprise to me. I had no intentions on getting another leaf blower. I already have 3 of them. So once again, you can see I'm just kind of pushing around some dirt and whatnot. Nothing really too exciting here to leaf blow. So here I'm actually just showing how easily this starts. As you can see, that was quite the small tug of the rope there. And it does start up easily. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing video. These are my first initial thoughts. Please stay tuned for an updated review video on this leaf blower. I will also have a comparison against my Echo. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.